what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, may naisip ako guys na kalokohan gagawin ko sa mama ko tsaka sa daddy ko. So naipag-isipan ko na magpa-prank ako sa kanila. So may binili ako sa Temu. So ito siya guys. Tada! Fart bomb. So gagawin ko nito guys. Gawin ko siyang hand sanitizer sa kanila. So mamaya, kasi pupunta kami ng store kasi may daragdag kami sa package giveaway namin na mga damit. So naisipan ko gawin nito sa kanila kasi yun yung time na para makapag-prank ako sa kanila. So ayun guys, nililipat ko na to. Baka maabutan na ako nila kasi padating na sila. Ito siya guys. Sobrang baho. So yun guys, so tara na, samahan nyo guys, let the prank begin. What's up guys, nandito tayo sa Walmart. So paprank na natin si Daddy Oliver kasi si Daddy Oliver nandito sa kabilang, dito siya sa likod. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako. What are you getting, Deliver?
Yeah, my own new ride. Little.
You keep touching and touching.
I can do that. I'm a bar customer. I can buy. I can touch and touch and touch as long as I want.
Say hi to the vlog.
Huh?
To the vlog, say hi.
Hi.
Just do like this in your hand. Your hand. Your two hand. Open it. No. Put that down.
Why?
Put it down.
Why would I put it down?
I mean, you put this one, the fishing head back there, and you do like this, that your two hands.
Why?
Why? What why?
What's the difference if I do like this or do like this?
You need two hands.
For what?
Nothing.
Nothing. That doesn't make any sense.
I gonna tell you a tricks. Go. Put it back. Then together. No.
You said together.
Open, open, and then together.
Open, open.
No, like this, and just like that.
Okay. So what is that?
Huh?
What's that?
Right.
It's so prank. It's so prank.
You're not funny.
It's very sweet.
It's not funny.
Ganito ang prank na nila.
Yeah, you got me. You got me.
Uy, it's really. Don't tell Mama Joy. Don't tell Mama Joy. Huh?
You got me.
Prank success.
Gosh, thanks.
That was prank success. Is that success na deliver?
Huh?
Is that success?
That's sick.
First prank. We got that.
Yeah, you got me, man.
Guys, she said it's very smelly. She said it's very smelly, guys.
Very smelly.
Very what?
Smelly.
Guys, victim na natin si Daddy River, kasabot na natin. So, we're gonna prank Mama Joy now. So, let's go. Kamay mo.
Yuko nga. Ano ka?
Ano to?
Kay Oliver kamay. Hindi sa akin.
Ilagyan na ako yung kamay kanina, hand sanitizer. Amoyin mo nga to, maganda man eh. Parayaw.
Sige kay, butang na ko sa ulaw.
It's a prank.
Anong ito pa? Baho. Jojo. Kadiri.
Ano?
Baho. Okay, butang ko kasi ako na.
Wow.
I-open na ba? He spray on my face.
Pipay sa kamay lang. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you like it. So, ewan ko kung parang success ka tayo kay Mama Joy kasi medyo nalaman niya. Ewan ko. Kasi wise daw siya kaya yun, nalaman niya. Pero prank success tayo kay Daddy Liver. 100%. So, kung gusto niyo pang prank na iba, guys, comment down below kung anong prank yung gusto niyo gawin ko. So that it's for today's vlog. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. Thank you. Bye bye, guys.